What's up, curl friends? It's me, D-Lo Brown, back with another Aunt Jackie's main attraction hair tutorial video. And for today's recipe, we'll be cooking up the Repair My Hair Argan oil. I'm really excited to use this product. My hair has been a little dry for the last few days, so I'm sure this will definitely replenish it. It's really good for dry hair and scalp, and it fights against breakage. So as soon as I can get this top off, we can finally get started, guys. You know how clumsy I am. Come on, D-Lo, get it together. We got stuff to do. And you know, it smells really good. It's enriched with Jamaican black castor oil. And it smells a little bit like apricot. I love that. So what you want to do is you want to squeeze a small amount into your hair. You want to make sure you're distributing the oil evenly throughout. Now me, you know I have to apply a little more, but you know. So make sure you're going to evenly, again, make sure you get the oil all throughout your hair, starting from your roots all the way to your tips. And then you can take a comb and you can comb through evenly to make sure your tangles are out. Now me, I'm going to add a little more because I plan on doing a hot oil treatment. So I really want to make sure that my hair is saturated fully with oil. And again, make sure you're massaging it into your scalp and hair from roots to end. Now what I have here is a conditioning cap. You can find this at your local beauty supply or even on Amazon. It's really good because it locks in and it seals that moisture and it heats on the inside on its own. So I left mine on for 10 minutes and I let that oil seep all into my scalp and my hair. 10 minutes, guys. It's not that long. It's worth it, trust me. So once the 10 minutes has gone by, you're going to remove your cap. And then, of course, you're going to feel the softness. Trust me, my hair was like soft as a baby's bottom. So after that, you're going to rinse your hair out thoroughly. So make sure you get all of the oil out so that you can style your hair properly. So what I did for my hair was a little different today. I applied some Lala to the top of my hair, of course, and did a perm rod set. And on the sides and back, I applied the Don't Shrink Elongating Curling Gel, and I slicked my hair down. I wanted to try something new and wavy. You guys will see in a second. So I let my hair dry for about an hour because I really wanted my sides and my back to stick. Well, I think it was like 45 minutes to an hour, but you get the picture. So, took my perm rods out, and as you can see, my hair is really slick on the backs and sides, so the Don't Shrink worked really well. And as you can see, I'm removing my perm rods, and the Lala did wonders as always. Thanks, Aunt Jackie's. She's the best. All right, guys, you take care. I'll see you next week, I think. Bye.